Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Cree. On this channel, I do hair and makeup, so if that's something that you're interested in, please don't hesitate to subscribe. In this video, I'm going to be doing a braided ponytail, and it's going to literally show you the easiest method, because sometimes we do it and it doesn't always come out right on different methods that we show. But this one, I can guarantee you, by the end of this video, you will know how to do a braided ponytail and it will come out great every single time. Right, so let's get into it. I'm not going to show you too much on how I slick down the hair, but basically, as you've seen, I've straightened her hair and I'm using Murray's beeswax to literally put on her hair, brush it through, and then I'm going to spray it with Got2b glue and blow dry it. We're going to literally take it in sections and do that section by section. But like I said, I'm not really focusing on the slick part. I'm going to show you the braided part. So let me just be quiet, watch this a little bit, and I'll be back once we get to the braid. Now we're going to move on to the braided ponytail, the part that you guys have been waiting for. Right, you're going to get your expression or impression hair. It would be good if the hair is pre-stretched, and we're going to attach that to the ponytail. Make sure you get your client to hold the hair because it just makes your life just a little bit easier. Now we're going to take a piece of the extension hair and put it to the side. We're going to be using that piece to wrap around the hairband. Make sure you clip away the other bit just so it's not going to get in the way when you do wrap it around the hairband. For wrapping it around, we're going to be using the Gorilla Snot Gel and Got2b spray. We're going to smother that through the hair and then comb through it, and then we're going to spray it with the Got2b and start wrapping. We can get back to the good time. Can we try? Make it right. Can we go back to the good times? Maybe if we try, make it right. We can get back to the good times. Walking back to the silence, and left to my house again. When you broke me first, I flew to hands on my hands so bad. I have no choice. Now I know you're probably thinking there's a big piece of hairband that's still showing. What you're going to do is take a piece of hair, not the biggest piece, a little piece of hair from one side of the hairband and bring it over to the other side. So when you split your hair into 3 to do a plait, it covers the hairband. Now that I know that you're still engaged, please subscribe, because I know you haven't pressed it yet, but I've just showed you a little trick there, so please do subscribe. But anyway, do you not think this method is really genius? It came to me the other day and I was like, I need to share this. And I've tried it a few times and it always comes out right. Obviously I've tried other methods as well, and For me personally, it doesn't, like, sometimes the hairband still shows, sometimes the hairs just drop in, I don't know, but this method is worked every single time. So if you do manage to try it, please do comment in the comment description thingy down there somewhere and let me know whether it's worked for you. This method works for short hair and coloured hair. Just make sure when you are doing it, you are tucking in the ends of their actual hair, as you can see what I'm doing right here. But trust me, girl, you got this. Just take your time. But anyway, I'm going to let you watch me braiding down the end. Once you're finished braiding down the end, make sure you go and put that in some boiling hot water. And that is me, Bob's your uncle. Make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. This will be on my hair page on Kstyles _hair_. But all of my social media will be in the all of my social media will be in the social media. I said, you know, all of my social media platforms will be in the description bar below, as well as the products I used. But please do subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.